Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Nothing Phone 3A. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Nothing Phone. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a few, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add, allow camera access and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and tap on the Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!